Ready? Start. The law being well settled as above, comma. We now examine the grounds. Stop. The grounds that have been urged in this challenge total to 9 but can be divided with fair ease into three heads, comma. 1. Heinousness of the offence, large loss of life, comma. 2. The possibility of absconding to evade the trial process, comma. 3. Ancillary grounds such as failure to consider totality of circumstances and advanced stage of trial, stop para, examined independently, comma. The catastrophic consequences of the act, that is, the loss of almost 150 lives while they were undertaking, comma, what can be considered one of the most common activities of life in our country, comma, a train journey, comma, the damage to public property as also in alleged ulterior motive for doing so, not only an act against the development of a joint force in the nearby area, comma, but to strike fear in the society at large, comma, in our view is a compelling indicator against them being released on bail, stop para. However, comma, it is settled law that circumstances for or against a particular outcome are not to be weighed or assessed in isolation, comma, but on the whole, stop. The second ground, comma, urged in challenging the bail granted was the possibility of absconding to evade trial, stop. The lapse of time has itself ex- extinguished this ground, stop. It is true that the appellant filed the special leave petition within a few months of the High Court order, comma, but on account of systematic delays, comma, the matter could only be heard in 2025 substantially, stop para. It is a matter of record that an earlier application for bail, comma, about a decade ago in the year 2016, comma, had been rejected with the High Court recording that examination of the remaining witnesses should be completed within a year, stop. If in 2022, comma, the court finds that despite such direction and also the passage of nearly 6 years, comma, the same could not be achieved, comma, it cannot be said to have not considered the case in its proper light.